Steal this 2.5-day itinerary to Kyoto. After taking the bullet train, we had time to kill before hotel check-in. We had some snacks at the Nishiki Market and then went on a free walking tour in the evening. We explored the Gion District and learned about the Geikos and Maikos. The next morning, we started our day strong with real fruit smoothies at 7-Eleven. We took the train and headed to Arashiyama. It's a short walk from the train station to Tenryu-Ji Garden. The entrance fee to the garden is 500 yen, but you get to see these beautiful sights, and it backs right up to the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. This is free and it can get crowded. There were a lot of people here by the time we left. We walked through Arashiyama Park to the Katsura River. Lots of people were out enjoying the river, and then we wandered over to Kimono Park, right along the train station where there's a scenic train. It was time for a quick lunch break, and then we took the train and bus to get to Golden Pavilion. The entrance costs 500 yen, and you get to wander around the grounds. We took the bus back to Kyoto and set up an appointment at the Gion District Art Museum to see a Geiko or Maiko performance. No photos or videos were allowed of the performance, but I highly recommend it. We explored Pontocho Alley and then called it a night. We were up early again, took the train to Fushimi Inari Taisha. This was 8:30 in the morning and there were already quite a few people out and about. You can find a few quiet spots tucked away, but be prepared for lots of stairs. We headed back to the train and went to Kiyomizu Gojo. It wasn't too far to walk to Kiyomizu Dera, but it is uphill. It was a bit crowded since it was the afternoon by this point. We bought yatsuhashi to bring back as a souvenir. I had seen videos of this viral mochi place, so I wanted to check it out. We only had to wait about 5 minutes, and then it was our turn to get up close to the rice pounding to make the mochi. We had one matcha and one chocolate, and they were both delicious. We walked through Ninenzaka and headed back through Gion to head to dinner. We went to Moon and Back Ramen Bar, which can accommodate for vegan and gluten-free diets. I highly recommend it. Reach out if you'd like help planning your Japan trip.